see what knowledge truly means. We built our power from wires, clouds, and screens. Electric lights that shaped our hands, the internet that bridged our lands, and clouds that carry dreams across the sky. But now a new age rises high, an age where knowledge fuels the core, where AI stands at the center of our lore. A world that needs a deeper spine, a truth-bound engine built to realign. Not a database, not a vault, not a search bar for the old world's faults, but the truth-born mind of the internet of gold, where every fact has roots and every story has a soul. TruthEngine, the fire where knowledge becomes energy. TruthEngine, the heart that keeps AI thinking true. TruthEngine, the pillar of a rising civilization. The world awakens, and truth awakens with you. AI wandered through a desert of broken signs, no provenance, no owner lines, no price for truth, no rights to claim, no fuel to keep its reasoning flame. Hallucinations filled the air, a mind that searched but found nowhere, until the engine forged anew, a system built to carry what is true. For layers of reality, but fighting in where truth is sworn. Economy where knowledge gains its worth, reasoning where it connects the TruthEngine, pulse of the knowledge economy. TruthEngine, where every second day I must feed. TruthEngine, where all becomes the price of thought. TruthEngine, where humans learn from what they know. A new economy rises from every truth we've brought. A